Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. This video will show you how to add image on OBS Studio sources. So if you want to record your in your OBS Studio, or you want to streaming on OBS Studio and you need a picture or video on your screen, here what you have to do: first you select your scenes, and then on this source tab you can click add media source. Okay, so you can click this one, or you can just image. For example, I'll try for image, and then click just whatever the names, and then click okay, and then you can find the image files. For example, I'm looking for my download files. For example, let's say this image. Okay, and then click okay, and then I can adjust this image, so I can put it as a top corner logo, for example. Also, I can adjust the opacity by right click on it, and then click filters, and then you can click add here, and then you can click color correction, and then click OK, and then you can see I can adjust the opacity of this image, and then now it's become my logo of my channel. Okay, that's it, this simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it is, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.